Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Azure with Pratik. So today we are going to continue our series Pyspark plus Databricks transformations. So today we are going to learn how to use a filter condition in a data frame. So what is the filter in Pyspark? Okay. So filter function used to filter the rows in RAD or data frame based on the given condition, like SQL Express. Okay. Okay. So here you can see there is a conditions with using the filter option. Like in first one, you can see there is a filter dev.column not equal to 50. Okay. So a filter will actually what filter will do? It will filter out the based on our condition, filter out the data based on the condition which we pass in that data frame. Okay. So in second option there you can see the f dot column 1 is greater than 50 and column 2 greater than 15. So we can use a filter uh, for retrieve this kind of data, filter data. So we can use also logical operators here. So here are and or symbol is used. Okay. So after that there is a df.column.isNull. So this filter will retrieve the isNull value. Okay. Then there is a is not null. Then likewise you can see here def.column.like for pattern based filter. Then is in, then it contains filter, then it starts with or ends with. Okay. So this is the various types of filters we can use in data frame. So I'm going to direct to Databricks community. Okay. So I have created the cluster. Maybe the cluster is terminated. Wait, I have to check. Mm, maybe our cluster is terminated, so I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to delete the previous one. Yeah, and I'm going to create a new cluster. So Databricks cluster. Okay. So our cluster is in progress. While I'm going to show you the yeah. So here I have created the schemas. Okay, each schema. In here there are 4 columns. I have defined like ID, so integer, name, string, marks, age, city. Then I have created e data. In there is a 4 rows. You can see there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, Pratik, 40, Mumbai kind of value. So I'm going to create a data frame first equal to spark dot create data frame. Okay. So I'm passing the above values, the data, then schema, employee schema. Okay. So this is the method to create a one new data frame. So I'm going to display first the data frame values. Okay. So let's have check the our cluster is created or not. Okay, it's taking the time. Mm, okay. So cluster is created. You can see here there is a green check mark. Okay. So I'm attaching my cluster which I have created just. Yeah. So change computer resource. I'm going to confirm it. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to run it. It's taking the time. Job is running. Okay. So here you can see there is a 5 columns like ID, name, marks, age, city. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to use filter activity. So I'm going to retrieve the records which having the marks less than 60. Okay. So there is a two records less than 60, 60 and 40 maybe, and 1 and 3. Okay. So I'm going to filter df filter marks. Okay. So df dot filter. So this is the syntax in which you can. So we have to filter marks. So I'm going to give a marks here. Marks less than 60. Okay. Less than equal to 60. So let's check it is showing proper result or not. So we will retrieve maybe two values like ID1 and 3, Pratik and Rohan, because they're having a 40 and 60 marks accordingly. It's taking too much time. I have to check it. Yeah. So we got the result. So we got ID1, ID3, the marks who have less than 60 marks. Okay. So after that, we can also use the logical filters like marks is less than 60 and the user like employee which living in Thane. So here I am giving or expression df dot city equal to Thane. Okay. For that you have to use the parentheses if you're using the two conditions in data frame. Okay. So it will fetch ID number 1, 3 and 2 accordingly. Okay. So I'm going to retrieve. Yeah. So we got 1, 2 and 3. Okay. In second ID we got the Ram is living in Thane. So Thane is already fetched. Okay. After that you can. So I'm going to check like dot contains dot column dot starts with. Okay. So there is a kind of method so you can use in filter activity likewise. So if you like the video, please uh, share, like and subscribe. Thank you.